another takeover test here today. Wait, did I just say my own name wrong? I mean, torture test takeover here today. But I'm going to be natural vacuuming with the Bissell Clean View Helix Select. I've never really seen anybody else on YouTube with one of these before, so I think this was like a vacuum that like got sold for like a short amount of time before anybody get their hands on it, like a while back. But yeah. Anyways, I'm gonna be vacuuming in my parents' room today. As you can see, they have like carpet tiles. It's like brown and beige. Cause I need to like put my carpet cleaner in here again. But I'm gonna be a natural vacuum. I waited like a week and a half or like 2 weeks. I can't remember how long it's been since I vacuumed in here, but last time I vacuumed here was with this vacuum actually, or the Shark. I can't remember. But without further ado, let's get going. Also, before I start this video, I'm not gonna directly say, well, I'm not gonna say this like directly to a single person because like everybody's been doing it. But like when you guys do like mess tests with your vacuums, please, like don't put too much strain on the vacuum because like, well, one, because I've been noticing that people's motors have been sounding like very terrible, like very terrible. They've only had the vacuum for like a few months. Like I get that you guys want to like, what's the word? I get you guys want to put out good content and all that stuff, but like, be like more considerate of your vacuums, because like if you guys are gonna be like a vacuum enthusiast or whatever, you shouldn't have your vacuum sounding like complete garbage. Like, because my Dirt Devil Dynamo, I've had it for like 14 years. It's like the same age as me, but like, yeah. It sounds like that only because of like a problem that we didn't know it had. Like I haven't turned it on until I clean up the motor, but yeah. But anyways, please be more considerate of your vacuums. Just like clean the filters more and stop like, well, not stop picking up big messes with it, but like, how do I explain it correctly? Okay, so basically what I'm saying is like, when you guys pick up messes with it, like make sure you clean the filters more often, and then like every couple months when you guys notice that the vacuum like motor starts to like change in pitch, just like take it down to the fan, like take the fan out and clean it out, and or prolong the life of your vacuum. I know people be like, oh, well, you can't tell us what to do, we bought the vacuum with our own money, and yes, I understand that, but like you also have to understand that if you're gonna like have a vacuum, don't like waste your money on it. Like, you get what I'm trying to say? But whatever. Just some advice. If you don't listen to me, then who cares? So wait, hold on. There's nothing in the dust cup. The filter's like relatively clean. Let me take out the Cyclone. Oh, the Cyclone's got some dirt on it. Well, not Cyclone, like the shroud. Ugh. But as I was saying, please be more considerate of your vacuums. If you're just gonna buy the vacuum just to ruin it, that's like wasting your own money. I mean, I barely bought any of my vacuums. They're like, I got all of them for free. But like, still. Okay, but here we go. I just wasted 4 minutes of me talking about something nobody's even gonna listen to, but here we go. now, as you can kind of hear, my motor used to be cleaned as well, but I just don't use this vacuum that much. Like, that's why I haven't like gotten around to doing it. I will do it sometime in the future though, and I'll do the same with the Easy Vac. Pick this back up. Oh, where's the... But, okay, so this is the end of the video. I will do another video later today. Not gonna say with which vacuum, but you'll have to find out. But take what I said in consideration about the thing about your vacuums and the dust, the mess tests and the filters and motors and all that stuff. But, thanks for watching. Bye.